Hi everyone. I drive a 2012 Chevy Volt. Got the dreaded rotor bearing issue where the car sounds like a buzzsaw. Let's see, I took it to Premier Chevy in Carlsbad and to have it repaired, and since it was out of warranty, I had to pay a pretty penny to have it fixed. 6 months go by, and a couple thousand miles later, the sound starts to come back. So I call them, and since the repairs under warranty, I take it in for them to take a look at it. They give it back and say they don't really hear anything, but that I should repair the axles. So I take it to a different shop, and they tell me that it is in fact, I have them repair the axles at a much lower price, and I have them check out the sound, and they tell me that it is in fact the rotor bearing issue. So I take it back to Chevy, and they tell me to have it looked at again, and they do, and they tell me that they swear they don't hear anything, that they compared it to other Volts and they don't hear it, and that what I'm hearing is just the regenerative braking. I've been driving this car for about 5 years, more now, and I definitely know what regenerative braking sounds like. So I did more research online, and I read that if the rotor bearing isn't repaired properly, that the sound could return, which might be what happened. Maybe they just don't want to spend the time to fix it since it's a lot of work. But when they say we are committed to fixing it right the first time and to your complete satisfaction, well, that's BS, as you're about to hear now.